السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. This is Hafiz Nazeem. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the third lesson of Noorani Qaida with Tajweed. In the first two lessons, we have discussed all the letters of Arabic language and their exact makharij, from which makharaj each letter is pronounced correctly. So in this third lesson, inshallah, we will revise all the alphabets of Arabic language, and when pronouncing each alphabet, keep in mind what is the actual makhraj of that letter. So try to pronounce each letter from their exact makhraj. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف ألف باء باء تاء تاء ثاء ثاء جيم جيم حاء حاء خاء خاء دال دال ذال ذال ظاء ظاء زاء زاء سين سين شين شين صاد صاد ضاد ضاد طاء طاء ظاء ظاء عين عين غين غين فاء فاء قاف قاف كاف كاف لام لام ميم ميم نون نون واو واو هاء هاء همزة همزة ياء ياء. So these are all alphabets of Arabic language. Keep in mind all the green letters, which are kha, ra, sad, dad, ta, dha, ghain, qaf. These are bold letter and beside these letters all are light letters. So if you haven't watched my first two videos, please watch those videos, and after those try to watch this video. So these are all letters of Arabic language. I think this is enough for this lesson. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.